think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Today was a great day. Rowdy's World of BMX. So my jet fuel 26er is almost done. I'm only waiting on the sprocket and the spacer that it says it's in Houston, and it'll be here. I'm just waiting on the sprocket and the spacer. I checked the track and it says it's in town and it'll basically be here tomorrow. So I guess I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna get started tonight though. But this are my pedals for my fat tire build. These are Thermalite, stolen Thermalite pedals, 9/16, sprocket 25 tooth, Eastern Bikes Medusa. Got that off design. 20 bucks. These I think 15 from Dance Comp. My favorite place to shop for BMX parts. Dance Comp, I think for like 7-8 bucks. Rent spring brake cable, 50-inch. I got a Fiction, I guess this is conical headset, probably somewhere around 20 bucks, that ballpark. Dance Comp also. I got these stem bolts. These are for my 20-incher build. Probably the last thing I'm buying for that. Okay, now to the parts for the jet fuel build. These parts are for the jet fuel and the my fat tire build, my fat quad clone, 19-inch, 19 millimeter 8 spline spindles for the bottom brackets. Need one for this, one for that. These are not, these are from my fat tire build. Mission clear. Got these from Dance Comp, brake pads. These are like 7-8 bucks. Let's get on to the jet fuel. I got a bottom bracket, ramp, bang your head, bang your BB. Gold, I like that gold. Goes with the colors. Most everything pretty much gold. Some of the accents on the bike are already gold, as you'll see soon, if you don't already know. Got a headset. It's green. I went with green for the headset. This is a Sunday. Sunday green. Headset. And go on top of that headset. I wanted something different from the stem that'll pop out, and this pink Fit Bico V2 stem was what it was. I didn't really know what color I was gonna go with, but I just saw this pink and I was like, yeah, that's it. And I even got some stem bolts. This was from Dance Comp, 30 bucks. These are $10.99 from Dance Comp. You get 6 in a pack. Cool. Cool little Dance Comp sticker. I'm definitely gonna put that on. I'm a big fan, big supporter, big customer. Alright. My build is coming right along. As you can see, these are all the parts for this big guy right here. Big girl. She's a big girl. I said I'm just waiting on the sprocket and the spacer for her. That's it. And this fat tire build is coming along. Orange, bunch of orange stuff. Oh yeah. Rowdy's World of BMX. My 26er finished up the clear coat today. About to do the last coat actually. We'll be riding a few days. And this will be done tomorrow. Yes sir. We're riding this weekend.